Okay ji, now first fill in the blanks. Page number 10. First paragraph, first line. Dash is the main occupation of the majority of people living in the Muslim world. Dash agriculture. Come to the third paragraph of page 10. Fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Muslim world supply about dash of the world's wool. Now come to the page number 11. Cotton. First line. Dash is one of the world's leading agriculture crops. Cotton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the fifth last line of the paragraph of cotton. Fourth number, blank number 4. Muslim countries produce dash percent of the world's cotton. Done. Come to the sugar cane. Topic sugar cane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth line. 1 ton of bagasse gives the same heat as dash barrels of oil. 2. Blank number 5. Blank number 6. Pakistan produced dash of the world's sugar. 3.5%. Now turn the page. Rubber. Second paragraph. Third line. The rubber trees were originally found only in the dash rainforest. Done. Underline these two lines. Seventh blank. Muslim countries produce about dash of the world's rubber. Almost all it began natural rubbers from trees. Okay, seventh blanks. Now come to the tea topic. Page number 13. First paragraph, fourth line. Muslim countries produce about dash of the world's output of tea. Done. 15%. Underline this line as well. Come to the coffee. First line. Cut the 8. Blank number 10. Coffee was discovered in the Summa, in the dash area. Done. Last paragraph of this page. Blank number last paragraph. Yeah, blank number 11. Dash is the main producer of coffee in the Islamic world. Indonesia. Blank number 12. Muslim countries grow about dash of the world's total supply of coffee. 15. अच्छा, मैंने यहाँ पे आपको 8 के बाद 10, 11 और 12 करवाएंगे. ब्लैंक नंबर 9 ये है. इन्फो में पेज नंबर 13. इन्फो ब्लैंक नंबर 9. द वर्ड कॉफ़ी कम्स फ्रॉम द अरेबिक वर्ड डैश कहवा. डन. 12 blanks on this page. Now turn the page. Cocoa blank number 13. Chocolate is made from dash. Blank number 14. Cocoa is made from seeds of dash. Okay, blank number 15. Last line of cocoa. Indonesia and Malaysia produce about dash the world's cocoa supply. 18%. Wheat. First line. Dash is the most important food crop for much of the world, especially in temperate land. Wheat. Blank number 16. Come to info. Blank number 17. The cocoa bean was very important to Aztecs who called it dash. Zocolet. Done. Underline first 5 lines. Wheat का topic की third last line. The blank number 18. Write important over there. The Muslim world produced nearly dash of the world's wheat. Okay, these are the 18 blanks. Now come to the short question answer of the topic. Okay, first I fix it. I hope you can see it. Geography section, chapter 3, main agriculture products of Muslim world. Topic short answers. आपके questions ये हैं, आंसर बुक पे मैं मार्क करवाऊंगी. Which country is the top producer of cotton in world and Islamic world? Right, page number 11. Page number 11, info. This is the China is the world biggest producer of cotton. Pakistan is the world's fourth top producer of cotton and the top most among Muslim countries. Short answer 1. This is the short answer 1. Okay. Number 2. Which country is the top producer of sugar in the world? Page number 11. Second info. Brazil is the world's largest producer of sugar cane. It produced 33% of all the sugar cane in the world. Done? Okay. Now question number 3. For which purpose used native of the Amazon basin? Page number 12. Info. Page number 12 पे जो info है, this info. This is the answer of short question answer 3. The natives of the Amazon basin used to make gum boots by pouring the thick rubber sap around their feet, letting it set in the shape of a boot. मतलब ये जो गम बूट्स बनाने के काम आते हैं कि वो जो सैप ऑफ ट्री है उसको बूट्स में रबर ऐड करके उसको बिल्कुल आपके बूट की शेप के तरह शेप दे देते हैं. डन. Question number 4. What are the uses of tea seeds? What are the uses of tea seeds? Page number 13. Tea. The second paragraph. Short answer 4, second line. The seeds from the tea bush are crushed to get an oil which can be used for cooking and sometime as a cosmetic to make hair shine and stick together. Okay, this is the answer, short answer number 4. Now, fifth short answer. How is coffee formed by its seed? Coffee किस तरह बनाई जाती है? Page number 13. Short answer 5. Coffee is made by roast. Second paragraph of coffee. Coffee is made by roasting the coffee seeds and grinding them for brewing. It is also proceeds into instant coffee that does not need to be brewed. Okay. These are the 5 short question answers of this chapter. Now come to the long question answers of this chapter. Question number 1. Describe the process of the sugar. Page number 11. Topic sugar. From the first line to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 lines are the answer of the question number 1. Question number 2. Write a note on rubber. Page number 12. From the first line, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second paragraph, 1, 2, 3. Tropical forest. Which grow in tropical forest. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक फर्स्ट 8 लाइन्स आपका आंसर है. नोट में आपने ये लिखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ टू टी formed by its leaves. Come to the tea topic. Page number 12. Second paragraph. From the second paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines. Come to the other page. 1, 2. Okay. Specially China prefer green tea. यहाँ तक आपका आंसर है ये. Done. These are the question 3. Now question number 4. Write a note on cocoa. Question number 4 is write a note on cocoa. Open the page number 14. First paragraph of cocoa. When Columbus found the new world to लेकर was not invented until 1847. This is the answer of question number 4. Now question number 5. Write a note on rice. Write a note on rice. Come to the rice topic. The whole topic is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 lines are the answer of the question number 5. Okay, now 18th blanks, 5 question answers short and 5 question answer long. You should write on the copy, and not only write on the copy, you also learn it. And especially one more thing, thorough reading of the whole chapter twice. It's very important for your assessment. Okay, Allah Hafiz.